The day has officially arrived. The full carbon fiber Lamborghini Aventador from Mr. Duke Dynamics is finished. Now last week she was also finished, but we ran into a minor issue. I had to push the car into SEMA. We could not get the car to turn on, but a very minor adjustment. The car fired right up and we are back in business. The Aventador was dead, but now the Aventador is back from the dead. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I honestly cannot get over how amazing this car turned out. We also have the brand new Gintani exhaust, and this is a cold startup on that Gintani. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. And yes, of course, today for the first time, we're gonna have the two Aventadors together. We gotta pull this one out first and then that one. We have a bunch to do in today's video. The Hamilton collection actually arrives at noon today. I can't help but grin from ear to ear at the absolute ridiculousness to have these two cars together. Now I have to apologize. The car was at SEMA for about a week and a half. It's very, very dusty. The car's not that clean. I haven't had time to wash it. I should have washed it for this video, but the Hamilton collection is gonna be here momentarily. But as far as like a 1-2 punch, I think this is unbeatable. I'm trying to capture this car on camera for you guys, but the camera, like I'm looking at the screen right now, and it's not doing it any justice. I'm gonna be taking this car to a bunch of meets in California, Arizona, and Utah, so you guys can see this car in person because it is absolutely mind-blowing. Like once you look at it, you cannot take your eyes off of it. It is absolute perfection from every single angle. The Rohan wheels are absolutely glowing, and this carbon fiber, like the road presence, the car is so much wider than a factory Aventador. It is absolute automotive perfection. One of my favorite parts about the Aventador Roadster is this Pirelli themed stripe with the Strad font. We matched that on the Aventador Coupe with the Momentum Pink from KPMF. I think it's a really cool detail. Not too much, very subtle, but just enough. Of course, there's one distinct issue with this car. It's not done, but it's close to done. It's pretty much done. The full reveal, I guess, will come in about 6 or 7 months because the interior as it stands right now does not match whatsoever. I just ordered some leather, some pink leather. I'm gonna show it to you guys on my phone. It should be here, well, in Florida, decently soon. In this photo, you can see the vinyl sample right there. That is KPMF Momentum Pink. That is the same color as the Pirelli stripe, and that's the leather sample we found. They're basically an exact match. This interior is gonna be just ridiculous. Now, there's one caveat. One lesson learned from the Aventador Roadster, we're not gonna do a colored dashboard. We're gonna stick with the black. The white dashboard on that car does look incredible, but you're kind of sort of blinded while you're driving. Not very safe, not very practical, but everything else is gonna be pink. The center console, the seats, the ceiling, the door panels, the A-pillar, the firewall, like every single detail in this car is gonna be overwhelming. It's gonna be absolutely obnoxious, but it's gonna look absolutely incredible. Now on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by The Ridge. You guys all know how much I love my Ridge wallet. Well, this holiday season, The Ridge has just introduced their brand new carry-on. It comes in 4 different really cool colors. This is 30% thicker than your standard carry-on, so it's really, really durable, but it's also still very lightweight. The Ridge comes with a lifetime warranty. If you don't love this, after 99 days, The Ridge will make it right. The Ridge has received over 80,000 5-star reviews. The matching backpack, the carry-on, they're both waterproof, and I'm gonna prove it to you right on now. I can't get over how nice the new carry-on is from The Ridge. I love the leather luggage tag, and check this out, you can actually keep your valuables safe and sound. We've all been there. Your bag gets lost, it gets mistakenly taken from somebody. Well, now with the security, nobody's gonna be able to get in. The Ridge carry-on is also super thoughtful. It comes with a mesh laundry bag here, as well as a concealed pocket for tracking device. Obviously, you rip that off. And to prove to you guys the new carry-on is waterproof, I'm gonna put my laptop inside, something that should definitely not get wet. And 30 seconds later, let's shut her down. And to prove my point, bada bing, bada boom, no big deal. And the new carry-on features these 360-degree spinning wheels. You can just hear and feel how smooth this is. The handle, this is the portion you touch the most. The quality, the substantialness of this. Honestly, my old carry-on, I don't even need it anymore. And it really is just that easy. Visit ridge.com/Stradman today. Use the code Stradman to get 10% off the new carry-on, the new backpack. That's ridge.com/Stradman. I'll admit I had some decent memories of my old carry-on, but it's not really necessary anymore. Perfect. And go! Oh yes! She's cleared! This is the first time I've driven this car with a new Gintani. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely mind blown. The downshifts as well. That license plate is hanging on for dear life right now. I can see it flapping in the wind right think it's safe to say you have truly outdone yourself. We got the car started, and it was the dumbest thing in the entire world, just like we thought. It wasn't fuel, it wasn't battery, wiring harness.
A plug, a single plug.
In the tail light.
Yes.
As you do, of course.
Yeah.
We unplugged it, the car fired up, and we are back in business. So we're picking up the Hamilton collection. We got the whole squad. We got the luggage trucks and the yin and yang Aventador. We have a legal front window tint, and then also the license plate. I don't know if you guys can see. It's little floppy.
Active arrow. That's
yes, exactly. It's downforce, baby.
Yeah.
And welcome here to Salt Lake City International. Somewhere is a wild Hamilton collection. You know you're a Lambo guy, so we had to bring both the Aventadors and the luggage truck.
This is running. They said they had to push it out of SEMA.
A wiring harness.
Oh, that was
That's
it.
all it was.
Awesome.
No big deal. Full carbon though, not bad, eh?
I think it's beautiful, yeah.
Your blinkers on, Alex! Your blinkers on! Oh my gosh! That Chintani, that pig! What? And of course the squared. You need a squared. That can keep up with an Aventador. What? Doing better. It's so crazy. What? Let's see it, boys. Let's see it. Yeah, you guys know what to do. Z06 right there, looking prime. On the road, these two together are out of this world. Natalia, good to see ya.
I know, always a pleasure.
Tommy.
That thing's awesome. I know, you have
I want
to
this
do
hat.
it.
Can I have
You
this?
can have it. We'll
No. I should.
Everyone needs a Koenigsegg.
You were just at the Koenigsegg factory. How was it?
It was
Amazing.
awesome, man.
Did you ride in the Jesko too?
I did. Yeah, it was out of this world.
Look at that smug
Out of
smile.
this
Now you see
world.
that? His
Out of
whole
this
face
world.
lit up. This
It lit
guy
up, it
Tom,
lit
did
up.
you ride in it too?
No.
Oh. What happened, Natalia?
Nothing.
No, you didn't want to?
You should file an HR complaint.
Yeah, HR complaint. I thought you're in charge of social media. Why are you in it, Tommy? Oh, you didn't even go.
Oh, that's
You, wow, okay.
Next time.
Yeah, next time.
It was Steve's fault.
Of course, we're driving the Aventador Roadster, and the door decides. Oh, it's working now. The door is like some. Really?
I was driving. This thing was popping
It's you,
up.
Alex.
I'm holding it
You
down.
couldn't close the door.
You know?
Your blinker
You
was
don't have
on.
squeaky doors, but now your doors don't even stay closed anymore.
Yeah, they do. User error.
Oh.
Sorry, bro.
All right,
I'll buy
user
your
error.
hot chicken.
Okay,
I got a black card. I got a black card. I got a black card.
Yeah.
There's a dozen parking spots everywhere, but of course, Steve and Ron obviously had to park on the curb. The twin turbo Huracan Sterrato. He is having way too much fun with it. So I just got word my Sterrato is landing in New Jersey in 2 weeks. Burlacker! Vic! What's up, dude? 3 Aventadors and Burlacker! Where's he going? Jeez! What is going on? I tell you what, the Lamborghini Aventador, we become adjusted to it. If there was only 500 Aventadors in the world, it would actually be the coolest car in the world. We just so happen to have like 7,000 of them, and we become acclimatized to them. They're the coolest car in the entire world. Look at this. 3 Aventadors. You never see Aventadors in Utah. We're definitely not getting into any trouble whatsoever today, okay? We got the A12, we got the 40th anniversary Murcielago by Lambo Jesus. We got the Porsche 918 Spider, fastest car in the world.
Yes.
Keep her under 55, okay? I don't want to bail you out of jail again.
All right.
You have to drive. So if you got no, you drive.
No.
You can do it. All right, passenger. I'm a passenger princess today.
Okay,
I'm the cameraman.
Right.
So Sophia just told me she doesn't have her driver's license. She's from Canada. You're not even from this country.
I know.
What are you gonna tell the Utah Highway Patrol? You're cute, so you might be able to get away with it.
We'll see. Hopefully nothing
And
happens.
your front windshield is illegally tinted by yours
Great.
truly. And your license plate is waggling like that, man. That's all right. This view is so crazy. Oh my, what a lineup when the Hamilton collection comes to Utah. Don't get too comfortable now. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Wow, okay. The next one is coming out. How do you say carbon fiber in Spanish?
Fibra de carbón? I don't know.
Oh.
I actually don't know. I don't know. If that's
Fibra
right.
de carbon. Fibra de
I
carbon.
might be wrong.
No, you're good, you're fine. Murcielago! You said you guys want driving. You're getting That Sterrato is crazy. My camera's freaking out. I can't even capture this right now. That brilliant is so sweet. It is so pure. I also love the high pitch of this Gentani, and then the Aventador Roadster is so deep. Easy on the throttle. It's no big deal. Nope. Not from Canada illegally here. That guy is crazy. Okay, what? Let's see that again. Go God bless Lamborghini, I cannot see. I love Lamborghini. Just a day in the office, Tommy.
It's so
I
good.
love it. Yeah, okay. That was weird. So good. Oh, I love Nate. Thanks, sir. Tommy, on the spot. McLaren P1, Ferrari LaFerrari.
P1.
Why? I haven't even
No,
finished.
you don't have
What?
to. You don't have to.
Okay.
Specifically in HDK.
Wow, okay.
That's
That's solved right there.
That's it.
Alex, P1, LaFerrari 918.
P1.
Chiron.
P1.
Koenigsegg. Steve.
Yes.
You are a connoisseur fine on
Don't ask
These
him.
guys
Don't
are
ask
such
him.
hooligans.
He
They
doesn't
don't
know
even
anything.
matter. 918, P1,
Yes.
LaFerrari, Bugatti Chiron, Koenigsegg Regera. One, that's your life.
918, and then Chiron, and then Koenigsegg, and then LaFerrari, then P1.
P1 at the bottom? Boo! What?
Boo!
Alright.
Boo.
Did you know today is the 1-year anniversary of a very special gift that I gave you, and you sold it? The pink and chrome Chiron!
Oh, yes. I thought you were going to say it was 1 year anniversary of when the Senna got wrecked, because that's awesome.
That escalated pretty quickly. lot happened.
it is the
It
1 year
was.
anniversary
Was
when
that the
the
same
Senna got
day? That was the
Yes.
same day, I think it was.
It was that or
Yeah.
yes.
That was a bad day, but today's a good day.
It is, yes.
What is wrong? He's a P1. He's a
He's a
phony.
phony.
He's a wannabe. He's a has-been. He's washed up.
man, it was-
What is going on?
it was
No, look at
literally-
that.
it was the old-
That's sick.
Yeah,
Wait,
boom.
I want that merch.
I can look it up.
Can we get that?
I
Can you
got
still
you.
make that?
I
Alex,
got
you need one of
Yeah,
those
I
as
need-
well.
Only if you buy a P1.
What if Alex buys a P1?
Take
Yeah,
this,
does that
take
count?
this.
No!
Can we get one for driver, one for passenger?
Yeah, I can make it happen.
Okay, there we
I
go,
got
there we
you.
go, there we go.
I got
Oh, you know what? The sauce. It's an A12 Super Fast. Jeez. Okay, we're fighting for traction. That thing is gone. It's that time in the video, our favorite time. Since day one, I was always talking about this car at night, and it has completely exceeded expectations. Nathan,
Yes.
thank you. This thing turned out absolutely amazing. Thank you to the whole team at Envision. Round of applause, unexpected ovation. Bro, completely exceeded my expectations. Today's video is over.